So you're trying to choose. Oh my goodness, you're so indecisive.
I'm trying to make a right choice.
Okay.
I cannot make a mistake.
Okay. Focus, focus.
I knew it! It was Bob! It was Bob! I was telling Gina about this. It was Bob. It was Bob.
Look at Bob.
Let's see. I've calculated. Okay, this is really big. This place. Let's not look at this place. This is the place. It's expensive. This is expensive. Let's not look at that place.
She's always saying it's expensive.
You don't want to go broke.
No. I agree, Jaden. You don't want to go broke.
I'm just looking at it. I mean, look. Remember the baby when he beat us? He beat us in Mario Kart. We couldn't win.
We could have won the sushi ball. We could have won the sushi ball because of that baby who didn't beat the sushi ball. Come on. Because of Mario Kart, that baby hit the sushi ball.
This place is old school.
But expensive. But expensive.
Old school?
Don't look
It's
at
not
me
old
like
school.
this.
It's just not for your age, maybe. Don't call it old school. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we went to ToysRus and we got some toys, and we are going to be unboxing them.
Yes.
Right? Who is gonna go first?
Jada.
Jada. Okay. So remember to
Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Sure. Okay. So Jada, let's see what you have. What toy do you have first of all?
Na surprise.
Nah, surprise. I don't even know what that is.
Same.
Okay, so let's see what we'll find inside. Surprise. You need the scissors?
Jaden, you know what to do.
There's a tag here, so you don't have to.
Oh,
Okay.
But then we're supposed to remove that tag. I have no idea how we're even supposed to be opening this. Because we've never opened one of these before.
Do you want me to help you?
yeah.
Let's see if we can figure it out. So we should have read the instructions there to see what it says.
There's tape.
See? How do we open it? Maybe we use a scissors.
There's tape. I can see it.
I'm not sure how to open this.
Yeah, we have no clue. Don't judge us. Please don't. We have no idea. Half of these toys we don't even know how to do. They're literally brand new from today.
Have any accidents?
Oh. Oh, we got it open! Oh.
So Jada got a little cut.
We
See?
came back with a recovery.
But it's just a little bit, so she's fine. Okay, so let's continue with our unboxing.
Oh, I can
I'm
already
gonna
see it.
Help more.
Yes.
Surprise! Don't open it yet. I have to have everything all open, and then we're ready to see what is Jada gonna get. First of all, what toy do you hope to get?
I hope to get the pink one.
Oh, the pink one. Let's see if Jada would get the pink one. She won that. Okay.
She's been telling me
So,
that all day.
are we ready?
Yes.
Let's do a countdown.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Is it the pink one?
No, it's the boy. It's this one on the box.
It's the boy.
It's this one.
Oh, you got the boy.
I thought it's not gonna come with the hat. I didn't know if we could.
I didn't get.
I told Jada guess she's gonna get this one.
She didn't get the girl, but she got the boy. It's okay. Let's see. Okay.
Let me cut you.
Don't cut his neck.
Yeah. Oh, he's so cute.
Wait. He's like a Barbie.
Okay, let's. Do you want to dress him up?
Yeah, should we have to open?
We have to open some prize.
Hang on. I'm just gonna cut it open, okay?
I see a collectible. A little collectible.
This should have been Jaden's.
No.
He doesn't like rolls.
I don't like balls. I see a collectible right here. This is the one Jada got. Right here. Out of all of them. She wanted this one. This big one right here. But she got this.
That one.
This one right
That's
here.
okay.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got.
Oh,
Some
so
trousers.
trousers. Do you want to dress?
Yeah,
What's his name? Do you know?
Have no clue.
We have to check this.
Nash?
Nash.
I think.
Oh, King Nash.
So his name is Nash.
Queen Nash.
Queen Nash.
His name is Nash.
Okay. And then we're going to. Should I open more for you?
Wait. Hold up. Let me
Hold
put his pants.
Okay. so
Technical
what's the ornament?
difficulties.
She's now Nash's mom. Queen.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. yeah.
Technical difficulties. All right. Oh.
Okay.
Yo, now you want my grandma's help. I'm the grandma.
No, you're the auntie.
Ah, I am the auntie. Okay. Good. Next.
Next, we cut up this.
Let's see what we get in there. Watch your hand.
Whoa.
Watch the hand.
Oh, it looks like a hat.
It is. Okay, you can keep that aside. We have to put the other ones first. Okay.
Wait. You see something?
Do you need to cut it?
You don't have to
know.
cut
I don't think so.
You need to cut it.
Okay.
You have to cut everything.
Oh,
Hang on.
Let's just.
Let's dress him
put
up
that
first.
aside. Put that aside.
Yeah.
All right.
please.
So dress up. What's in there? Let's
I
see.
think it's the clothes.
What?
We missed one.
What?
We found it. Okay. So
Brush.
open up. Let's see.
Let's see how the magic poof.
I think this is the sweater.
Poof.
This
Okay.
gotta be one.
Okay. Last mystery bag.
Last mystery bag.
Mystery bag.
Let's open this one.
Drum roll, please.
It
Sweater.
Yay!
So I
The
can-
jacket.
Drop. Oh.
Yeah.
So I have to just like nice one.
Mhm.
So I have to slip it over like this.
Oh, so tiny.
It's so tiny.
All right. No, you have to put the arms. Okay. This way.
Right.
This way.
This way. Oh.
Mhm. That way.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Technical difficulties once again. It has come to this one moment.
No,
Oh, we can zip it up. I think.
Wait.
This way.
Wait.
She's just having a little bit of trouble.
Technical difficulties. Like I was saying. Anyhow,
Oh.
got one in.
Okay, put this back.
Wait. We just need. Yoop.
Oh, it's a teamwork. Team effort.
Yes. There's a little. There's a little zipper.
But I think it's cool like this without
Yeah.
the zipper.
You're
Okay,
supposed to zip it
time
up.
for the hat. The hat.
Yeah.
Oh, this is hard. He's doing the splits. He may do the
He's
splits.
doing the splits.
Today I'm going out.
Oh, Queen looks lovely. Queen.
His shoe fell off.
You did?
His shoe fell off.
Okay.
Oh, found his shoe.
Give me his shoe.
All right.
The shoe looks like this.
So cute.
It's really
Where can we get that shoe in the store?
We couldn't even see it anywhere.
Okay. Time to get this off.
Okay, because you have a bad finger, I'm gonna help you, okay?
She really has a bad finger because of that band-aid.
Yeah. Do we need to cut it?
No.
Maybe.
I've already cut almost half of everything.
Oh, we got it. Then what does it do?
Oh, it says it.
It's just his name, Queen Nash.
And then it says things
Yeah.
about his birth.
Oh,
his
really?
birthday?
Yeah.
Birthday is September 3rd.
Oh.
So we're gonna have Nash's birthday then.
Oh,
Queen Nash.
almost
Queen
like
Nash's
Jada's.
birthday's today? Or
No.
That's my birthday.
So, when is he? How much days is his birthday?
Like 2 months.
2 months ago. Okay, Queen Nash is almost your birthday.
So let's show everyone what Queen Nash looks like.
When?
Oh,
Queen Nash.
Ready for the part. Well done, Jada. High five.
I'm going to somewhere else with my comb.
Yeah. All right, Jaden's done. Let's see what you got, Jaden.
I got this
What's that?
Treasure X Dino Gold.
Okay, so let's see what treasure you got in there.
Okay, let's cut it right open.
Watch your hand.
Okay, I do not want to get an injury like Jada.
No.
That's gonna be bad. Okay.
Watch your hand. It says 5 plus. Give us instructions on what to do.
No clue.
Okay, so see, put it in water.
Oh, okay. It's fizzy.
So Jaden put it in water.
Yes, it's fizzy right now.
Yeah, and then we're gonna try to use the key to open.
Oh, it's more easier.
Yeah.
There's a dino under this.
Jada abandoned us.
Yeah, she just left us. She's going to go play with it like she always does. I see something.
I see something. I see something. Okay.
Wait, let me clean this.
Yeah.
Get it out. Okay, I see something.
Something is there.
I have no clue what it is.
This is so much fun. The mystery. Okay, maybe we soak it a little bit more. Okay, so that's
Yeah, we have to probably soak it a little more. I have to clean this
Easier.
key. We got some technical difficulties. I'm just gonna pick these up one by one.
soak it more. I think we're supposed to put it under running water.
Let me try doing that.
No, go ahead. It's gonna work.
Whoa.
It's like digging a hole.
Yeah. It's an adventure. Ooh. We have something.
Don't break it, Jaden. Be patient.
Wait.
Yeah. Just keep on digging. We got it!
Yeah, we got the body.
Yeah, we got it. Okay, you can raise your hand.
We got something.
So, you wonder what this is. We're gonna open and see.
It looks like it'd be two. It could be this
So,
one.
what is it gonna be?
It could
Is
be
it going to be Bling Gadon or
this one.
Bronze Stump?
Yeah, it's either these two. This one up here.
It
or
looks
this one down
blue, so we're thinking it's either.
here. Yeah.
Oh, but I don't think there's a purple, so I'm thinking it's this one.
I think it's this one.
Okay, let's see what it is. Are we ready to?
This is the body.
1, 2, 3. Whoa! Ah! I get it! It was this one! I got it!
Wait,
It's
what?
called Blingadon.
Blink. I picked that one too.
Oh, I thought you picked the other one because I couldn't see the purple, so I took that one.
Yeah.
Yay, nice. I love it.
Okay.
So
Let's.
I think that's it.
I think there's more.
There is. Are there two? We'll see. Oh, there's
gold.
We found more things.
Ooh. I have a foot on. I'm gonna get the second one on. Look at This is hard.
It's a little bit tricky.
I have no idea how to do this.
Okay.
Okay, now for this one.
Okay. Go ahead. Try that. Good job.
Now for the last foot. Okay. Got it.
Wow, nice. It's fun. Hunting for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, out of all of these red things, we got.
So what does the red thing do?
And, see,
Is it the food?
no, see how close we were to like gold. I got the snail. I was pretty close.
So pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold treasure. Yeah, so that's okay. All right, what next did you get?
Okay, this is I got actually not one, but two Lego sets. Almost picked the same one.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go. Let's open it and see.
Okay. Let me free it. Oh, got one.
Oh, nice.
Got the second. Now,
So, Judy, now you're going to build it.
yes,
All
I
right.
will build it.
So when you build it, we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Jaden, after a long hard work, he has finished
The first one.
the first one.
It gets. This is for the shield. It can use it also for attack. This is the sword, and it has a little flag on top with a little character here.
Oh, that looks so cool,
And
Jaden.
you could do it.
You built all of that yourself?
Yes.
Wow, amazing.
And now for the big one I really focused on.
A big one. Let's wait and see.
But the villain, this one, and the first one was this one right here.
The villain. Okay.
The
And?
villains. And the second one. This is it. This is the second one.
Ooh, amazing.
It has a little character in it.
Wow, I can't believe you did
You
that.
can open, and if you want it, you could press down and it could go like this, or you could also remove it and go like this.
Wow.
So you could put another character on top of here.
So what characters do you have?
I have Nia,
Oh,
Zane, which is in here,
yeah.
and Lloyd, right here.
Oh, nice. Well done,
Yeah.
Jaden. Hard work pays.
Oh yeah, there's
You were
one.
dedicated.
There's
Oh,
one,
one
more
more.
villain. He has a shield and he has a hat. He has a little sword right there. And yeah.
Amazing. Well done, Jaden. It turned out so nice. So, thank you everyone for watching our video. Remember to
like, subscribe, and hit that notification.
See you in our next video.
Bye.